Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Joy. So today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble the juicer that I got from Amazon. So last time I posted a video on how to assemble the juicer, and I've gotten some requests to kind of make a brief video on how you can disassemble it, because some people are finding it hard to take the juicer apart. So today's video is all about that. So before we get into it, I want to make just a little update concerning the juicer. I've had this juicer for like almost 6 months and I haven't had any issue with the juicer, but the only thing I can tell you is that if you're juicing a pineapple with other fruits, just try as much as you can to juice the pineapple last. Make sure that the pineapple is the last thing you're going to juice, because the juicer has a way of making the pineapple mushy like very soft. That is the only issue I see with the juicer. Other than that, everything works perfectly fine. Everything is okay. So let's get into the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is so simple. It is so easy to disassemble this juicer. So I'm going to show you guys how to take it apart, how to disassemble the juicer. Here is the juicer. To disassemble this juicer, as you can see, it is locked. You can get it apart. The only reason this juicer is locked is because the cover is locked. So if you look at this, this is where you lock it. This is where it is locked. And for you to unlock this and take this one apart, you have to, first of all, if I try to unlock it now, you see, it is so stiff, it cannot come off. But first you have to unlock the cover for you to take this apart. So when you unlock the cover, you just turn this around like this, and this part will come off. So when you take that out, the next thing to do is to take out the squeezing auger. This one right here, you just have to take it out as well. So when you want to take this out, what you do is just slowly turn it anti-clockwise, slowly, and it will just come out. And you can take this out, and even without taking this out, you can still take this one out. So let me put it back and lock it and show you what I'm talking about. So with this here, you can still take this out. You can just take it out if you're finding it difficult to take it out from here, and then you can definitely take it out from here, and just do it the same way, anti-clockwise, slowly. And this is coming off slowly, and that's how you take out the squeezing auger, and your juicer is disassembled. And that is how you disassemble this juicer. I hope this video was helpful to you on how to disassemble your juicer. And if you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, take care.